ever sat in a meeting and felt totally bombarded with data and graphs and words that really didn't make any sense to you? Maybe it was overwhelming or too much too fast, or you didn't really understand where to look and how to use that information. Well, this is where business intelligence comes in. This lesson will go through what is business intelligence and the benefits and challenges that business intelligence brings to an organization like your hotel. Fundamentally, business intelligence, or BI as we call it, helps organizations make data-driven decisions. It combines a lot of different areas within the wider spectrum of data and data science itself. It encompasses business analytics, data visualizations, infrastructure, data mining, and much, much more. At its simplest form, imagine BI as a way to make your data more useful, to highlight the value within all the noise. And when I say noise, I mean the data that is currently not relevant or useful for the problem you are trying to solve. Imagine it like trying to watch a movie with a rock band playing right next to you. Business intelligence would then be the subtitles still allowing you to understand what is going on in the movie regardless of the noise around you. In revenue management, we use BI at its basics to turn data into graphs and tables so that we can see what is happening in our business at this point in time. However, revenue management also uses BI to show trends over time and how your business might or might not have changed. In essence, business intelligence helps you with the data analysis part. Sift through all the thousands and thousands of data points to help you find that little nugget of information that can really make a difference to your revenue management and, of course, your business's profitability. The benefits of business intelligence are very clear. Business intelligence helps make data-driven decisions better. What that actually means is you can make better decisions by using current data and historical data and putting them into your business context, as well as highlighting the areas of the business that require your attention at this point in time. Business intelligence helps you by identifying new ways to increase your profits, compare your data with competitors, track performance, or even analyze some of the customer behavior so that you can optimize operations and start predicting what happens in the future. A very easy way for you to remember the benefits is through WOW. Visualize, analyze, and optimize. Business intelligence helps you take your data so you can visualize your data. Once visualized, you can start to analyze your data. And once analyzed, you are in a position to optimize. We cannot just look at business intelligence and highlight all of its benefits without clarifying some of its limitations. The main challenge for business intelligence is that your data might not be comprehensive enough to be useful. It might have missing data, or worse, wrong data within it. And that can easily happen, especially if you manually track data. All it takes is one sick day or one vacation, or even worse, if the person who does the tracking leaves. Who knows what data is right and what's wrong? It can clearly become a mess. At an organizational level, people also sometimes use BI as a reporting tool only, without using its full potential. BI is a dynamic tool, and you limit yourself by using it solely as a static tool. The last limitation is that business intelligence in many cases doesn't give you predictive or prescriptive analysis and leaves the interpretation completely to the user. In which case, if the user is misreading the information, they will act in a wrong way. So go ahead and ask your revenue manager, what data does our hotel track? And how is it being tracked? Finally, here are 3 takeaways for business intelligence. Business intelligence helps the revenue manager make sense of all the data to find that information that is relevant to the business right now. Using current data and historical data and putting them into your business context will help make better data decisions. And lastly, business intelligence is limited if the data is incorrect or the data is being misread.